All right, here's the question you're dying to know. You know how to buy a stock, take a profit when it goes up, and make money. But Rick, I heard that lots of people make money when a stock goes down. Yep, I'm one of them, and so are the thousands of people in my Discord. All right, Rick, these videos are great. I'm learning to trade the stock market. I know how to buy shares, sell them, take profits, use trailing stops, stop losses. I'm winning. This is great. But Rick, I heard that you make money when stocks go down. Can you tell me about that? I'm so glad you asked. Well, first of all, we do it every day. We make money when a stock goes down. Check out my Discord. The link's down in this video. You've got to sign up and join the Discord for free. Watch what we do in real time every day, and you'll start to understand. Also, we win every day at copyandwin.com. When you're ready, join my thousands of members who win with me every day. But how do we do it when a stock goes down? Well, it's very simple. You've probably heard the term short the stock or sell the shares. So we don't own any stock. In all of our previous examples, we bought $5 stock and we bet that it would go up. And when it did, we sold and we made a profit. Yay, we're winning. That's what we do. But did you know that if you think that same stock is going to go down, you can easily bet the opposite. You can bet on it going down. So we're going to start not owning any shares, right? You've made your profit on $5 stocks. That's all in the past. You are flat. You have no position. You don't own any shares of this stock. Now you think your $5 stock could be a different one, could be the same one we've been talking about. You think it's going to go down. So you'd like to make money if it goes down. Maybe they just got bad news. Maybe sales are slow. Maybe they just fired their CEO, or maybe they lost a big contract. Whatever the case, when that $5 stock is going down, let's jump on board and go down with it, but make money as it falls. And to do that, all you have to do is sell the shares. This is a practice called shorting. You're going to short the shares. But Rick, how do I sell shares if I don't own them? Well, in our very first episode, we talked about opening a margin account, right? Where you pretty much have 4x leverage. If you've got $2,500 in your margin account, you have the buying power of $10,000, right? So how do they accomplish that? Well, because they're lending you buying power, right? Your $2,500, they're loaning you 4 times that and giving you buying power of $10,000 a day. So they're loaning you the ability to execute trades. And in the stock market, for most stocks, even if you don't own them, if you want to short them and sell them, the brokerage that you trade with, they'll let you do that. How? Well, they're going to loan you the share and you're going to promise to buy them back. So it's very simple. You want to sell 2 shares of that $5 stock, but Rick, I don't own them. That's okay. You're going to loan them to you. So you're going to sell 2 shares at $5, right? Now you have 2 shares at $5 and they're going down. Well, you've shorted them at $5. Now they go down to $4. So same thing, they're down 20%, just like they went up 20% when it went up to $6. Now your $5 share has gone down to $4. So it's down 20%, but that's okay. Now, since they've loaned you the ability to sell those shares, you're going to buy them back at $4. So you entered your short position by selling at $5, sold at the market, or sold with a limit order like we've talked about before. The stock has now come down to $4, and you'd like to capture that $1 profit. Well, that's simple. You're short shares now, and you're just going to do the reverse. You're going to buy them to cover your short position. So that's the button that you'll want to click. You'll select the number of shares that you sold short. In our example, we sold 2. And now when you're ready to get out because the shares are down to $4, simply buy the 2 shares back, buying to cover. You're buying to cover your short position. Click it, buy to cover, you're out. Now, how did we make money, Rick? It sure seems to me like I sold them or bought them at $5, they went down to $4, and I should have lost $1 each, right? Well, no, because you sold them. That's just oversimplified. Open your mind. You sold your shares at $5. You sold them short. And to cover that position, you bought them to cover at $4. Let's reverse it. Let's take what happened last and put it first. At $4, you bought your shares. And at $5, you sold them. You sold them short, bought to cover. Do you see what we're doing here? We bought at $4, sold at $5. So a short position simply means that you're borrowing the ability to sell them back later at $5. And when it goes down to $4, you're buying them at $4 and you instantly sell them back for the $5 you promised, right? So as long as you use trailing stops and stop losses, it's very easy to make your money when stocks go down. Now, note to self, without trailing stops, your risk is unlimited. You could lose a ton of money. So make sure that if that stock goes back up, you put in a protective stop loss, just like we talked about in previous episodes. Now, all of this can sound a little confusing, but let me remind you, your best friend besides me is Google, and your second best friend besides me is your trading platform, their frequently asked questions and their training videos. Friends, shorting a stock makes it as easy to make money on the way down as it is on the way up. Look it up, learn to trade it. It's what we do every day at copyandwin.com, and I'm so happy that together we're learning to change our lives in the stock market.